Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, let's start the another portion of the chapter tissue, and this is animal tissue. Animal tissue, that means the group of cells which are present in animal and perform different specific functions. So, this one animal tissue is very important and as well as interesting also. How it is interesting? Because in this tissue, I think that we discuss about our own body. हम अपनी ही बॉडी के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं तो ये ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. In our body, we are having different type of tissues which you can see here, and all these type of tissues we will discuss. So let's start. Classification of animal tissue. Animal tissue is classified into four main types. First is epithelial, second is connective, third is muscular, and fourth is nervous. Out of the four tissue, the first one that we start is epithelial. Epithelial tissue, which is present in the animal, it is just like that. You can say that it is a kind of protective tissue which is present in the animal. And epithelial tissue, on the basis of its function, on the basis of its location, it is categorized into different types. First is squamous, second is cuboidal, third is columnar, fourth is ciliated, and fifth is glandular. We will discuss in detail. Another tissue is connective tissue. As the name indicates, connective, it helps to connect the different body parts to one another. As I told you, epithelial help in protection. Connective help to provide connection between different body parts. Connective tissue is divided into four main types: areolar, adipose, skeletal, fluid. Areolar is of two types: tendon and ligament. Skeletal tissue is of two types: bone, cartilage. Fluid tissue is of two types: blood and lymph. Again, we will discuss all of them in detail. Third one is muscular tissue. We are having three types of muscles: striated, smooth, and cardiac. And the last one, but not the least, nervous tissue. Nervous tissue helps in the coordination of our body with the environment as well as within the body. So muscular, nervous, connected and epithelial. We are going to discuss about these tissue in the session. First one is epithelial tissue. As I told you, it is a protective tissue. So very important thing that you understand about the epithelial tissue is it covers the inner and outer side of the body. Outer cover of the body. You told that no, you think that it is skin. No doubt, it is skin, but skin is also made up of epithelial tissue. It covers inner side of the body as well, means internal organ. For example, our intestine is lined by this epithelial tissue from inner side. So it make a layer inside and outside of the body. And very important thing, it is the tissue which is present, it is single layer tissue. Single layer tissue, which is in which the cells, these are the cells, they all are lying on a basement membrane. You can see this black color layer. This is the basement membrane. And on this basement membrane, these cells are present without without any intercellular space. देखिए प्रोटेक्टिव टिश्यू में अगर इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस आ जाएगा सो दैट मीन्स वहां प्रोटेक्शन नहीं होगी। सो किसी भी प्रोटेक्टिव टिश्यू में इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसेस नहीं होते, चाहे वो हमने प्लांट में एपिडर्मिस की बात की हो या अब हम यहाँ एनिमल टिश्यू में एपिथेलियल टिश्यू की बात करें। नो इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसेस and all the cells are lying like tiles on the floor. Every cell contains nucleus, so cells are living. Sometimes these cells are arranged in multi-layer, more than one layer of cell is present. And then the simple squamous epithelium is known as stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified means more than one layer of cell is there. So this kind of, especially this kind of tissue is present in our skin. आपने देखा भी होगा हमारे स्किन की लेयर हल्की सी कहीं से उतर जाती है तो एक बिल्कुल बारीक सी पॉलिथीन जैसी लेयर, ट्रांसपेरेंट लेयर उतरती है, पर हमें ऐसा तो नहीं लगता कि हमारी बॉडी बिल्कुल अंदर तक कोई चीज अंदर एंटर कर गई है। नो। सो स्ट्रेटिफाइड epithelial tissue is present in our skin. Third one is columnar. Columnar is on the basis of the shape of the cell. The cells are column like, pillar like cells. देखिए लंबी लंबी cells हैं। Every cell contain nucleus at the near about at the bottom of the cell, and this columnar epithelium tissue is given, this columnar name is given only on the basis of the shape of the cell. Another is cuboidal. The cells are cube like, almost cube like cells are present here with nucleus, so that's why the name is cuboidal. Another one is ciliated epithelium. Ciliated means cilia on the top of the cells, and the cells may be columnar, cells may be cuboidal, कोई भी टाइप की cells हो सकती हैं। उनके अपर सरफेस पे जब ये हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस आपको दिखाई दें, it means that epithelium is ciliated, and these hair like projections are known as microvilli. You can call them cilia. So that cilia helps in the movement of particle because cilia they continuously move on the cell, so they help to spread the substance, they help to move the particle. So this is ciliated epithelium. Another one is glandular epithelium. This one is glandular epithelium. Sometimes some cells has an ability to secrete something, and when they got an ability to secrete something, then the cell which secrete, that is known as goblet cell. What it is? Goblet cell. So goblet cells में से जब secretion start हो जाता है, then we call that cell as gland. तो कोई भी सेल जब secretion शुरू करेगी तो हम बोलते हैं वो glandular cell है. So if any epithelium contain this goblet cell and start to secrete the substances, then that is known as glandular epithelium. So these are the different types of epithelium. Now this is the epithelium tissue, forms the lining of our body. You can easily read it. So every tissue contains its location, structure, function. You can see here. It is written pillar or column-like cells resting on a thin membrane. I discussed with you that columnar epithelium is column-like cells. So you can copy it from here. So I hope it is enough for today. You please write down all the work in your notebook. Very soon I am sending a message to see your notebooks. Okay friends, goodbye. Goodbye all of you.